Number 10. Riding in the back of a pickup truck. Kids used to pile into truck beds on summer evenings. Parents drove to the store, to the lake, across town. No one considered it dangerous. Most states now classify this as illegal. Children under certain ages cannot ride unrestrained in open cargo areas. The laws appeared quietly over the past 30 years. Some states still allow it on back roads. Number 9. Smoking on commercial flights. Passengers lit cigarettes at cruising altitude. Ashtrays were built into armrests. Flight attendants walked the aisles with smoke trailing behind them. The last US airline banned smoking in 1990. International flights continued for years after. Now it carries federal criminal penalties. The ashtrays remain in some older planes, hidden under newer upholstery. Number 8. Sending children outside alone. A 6-year-old could walk to school. An 8-year-old could play in the park until dark. Parents face no questions. Several states now investigate this as neglect. Children have been removed from homes. The term is free-range parenting. Criminal charges have been filed. Number 7. Drinking while driving. The act of consuming alcohol behind the wheel was legal. Drivers kept open containers in cup holders. Police only intervened if behavior became reckless. Open container laws spread state by state through the 1,980 seconds and 90 seconds. Mississippi was the last state to ban it in 2016. Some passengers still believe they can drink legally. Number 6. Advertising prescription drugs to children. Pharmaceutical commercials aired during Saturday morning cartoons. Vitamins, medications, treatments aimed directly at kids. Characters were designed to appeal to children. The FDA restricted this in 1997. Most people don't remember it happened. Number 5. Denying service based on marital status. Landlords refused to rent to unmarried couples. Banks denied women credit cards without a husband's signature. Hotels turned away unmarried pairs. These practices were standard business. The Fair Housing Act expanded slowly. Some religious exemptions still exist. The refusals were printed on signs in windows. Number 4. Employing children in dangerous factory work. 10-year-olds operated machinery. 12-year-olds worked overnight shifts. Injuries were considered part of employment. Child labor laws strengthened over decades, but enforcement was inconsistent. Recent investigations have found violations increasing again. Certain agricultural work still has fewer restrictions. Some of the children were working to pay family debts. Number 3. Forcing sterilization on citizens. Over 60,000 Americans were sterilized without meaningful consent. The practice was legal in 32 states. People with disabilities, low IQ scores, or criminal records were targeted. Some programs continued into the 1,970 seconds. California sterilized nearly doazechi, 0 people. Victims in women's prisons reported coerced procedures as recently as 2010. Compensation programs started only in the last decade. Number 2. Marital rape. A husband could not be prosecuted for raping his wife. This was the legal standard in all 50 states. Marriage was considered ongoing consent. The first state to criminalize it was in 1975. The last state changed its law in 1993. Some states still have different penalties depending on marital status. The exemptions were written directly into criminal codes. Number 1. Conversion therapy on minors. Licensed therapists subjected children to psychological and physical interventions designed to change sexual orientation. Parents provided consent. Insurance sometimes covered the sessions. The practice remains legal for minors in over half of US states. Adults can still consent to it anywhere. Sessions continue in religious facilities and private practices. Some of the children currently in these programs are under 10 years old.